Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya. For any of you that are new and viewing, in today's video, UNice sent over one of their colored units. This unit does come out of the packaging curled and colored and basically ready to go. All you have to do is install it. You can wear it like it is, curled out of the packaging, or you can be like me and add a little bit of extra curls or, whatever you want to do, whatever makes you comfortable. So my first impressions about the unit when pulling them out of the packaging was this color is gorgeous. So it goes from this light color to a dark color. The curls were honestly really nice as well, and on top of that, the texture of the unit was up to par. Like, it was really good. So I guess a great thing about this wig honestly is you pull it out of the packaging and you don't have to do anything. You don't have to add baby hairs if you don't want to. You do not have to bleach any knots. You don't have to recolor. You don't have to curl. Like, it's top tier straight out the pack. So we're going to install it using this even spray. And then I'm just going to blow dry that down in place and tie my satin wrap around it. And make sure you just mold that into place. So once that's finished, I was kind of feeling the middle part, but since I serve you guys with middle parts so often, I decided to do a side part today, and it actually came through. Like, it looked real good. So the only thing I would say is make sure you add some makeup to your parting space, just to make sure that you can tell where that starts, where that process begins. Add some makeup there. You can also add baby hairs if you want to. I know baby hairs make some people more comfortable when wearing their wigs. I personally did not feel like it was that necessary, but the lace blends into your skin really good. I did have a little piece over there that just decided to fly up in the air that I obviously did not catch on camera. while I was recording, so I apologize about that, y'all, but I promise it was giving. The color was definitely giving. So and so was the lace. The lace was definitely serving in person. I'm gonna add some curls to it because I wanted to just loosen them up a bit. I felt like it looked better that way. You guys let me know. I'm not really a super tight curl girl. So yeah, adding those loose curls to it definitely helped out for sure. But overall, you guys, I actually really like this wig. I do feel like the lace falls a little bit short in the front, which is probably why that little piece is like flying up over there. But then again, if you don't have such a big head like me, it probably will work really good for you. Like cap size, it fits real good. Like the cap is fitting amazing, but I feel like the lace falls a little bit short in the front, so it doesn't really meet the top of my ear. But I feel like that can be finessed based off how you lay the baby hairs or lay the edges down. Overall though, guys, this wig is really, really cute. Like, I'm living for this color. It's perfect for fall. It's a really nice ombre effects from that light to dark. I really like this wig. So if you guys are interested in it, make sure you check out my description bar below. I do have a direct link there for you to get this exact wig. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you to UNice, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, y'all.